Deitz says the West Indies women's team is fully focused on pushing their limits and building a high-performance culture. This as the team embarked on an 8-week training camp in Antigua ahead of a jam-packed 2026 international calendar.
Individual skill development's the main focus. I don't get the chance to sit with the players or work with the players over, I've been here 2 years now. Generally, the players with us, our coaching staff, we're trying to learn the techniques and how we want to play and change things during matches. So players are trying to learn to play international cricket, make the right adjustments to be good enough to have their skill levels for international cricket and their strength and conditioning in international cricket while we're still playing. So it's always going to affect the performance and affect that development. So yes, we're not in the current ODI World Cup, but that's a blessing in disguise because we've got a great opportunity for the staff and the players to get together and really focus on specific individual areas for each player to be able to go to that next level.
The camp, which started on Monday, brings together around 20 senior squad members for an intensive preparation phase geared towards the upcoming ICC Women's T20 World Cup in England and a series of challenging tours against Sri Lanka, Australia, Ireland, Pakistan and Zimbabwe.
So the main area we've got to get right is our strength and conditioning and our team fitness. And we need fast, athletic and robust cricketers who can play the style of cricket we want to play and entertain the crowds, put on a massive show and win lots of games, but also stay fit and healthy through a tough period.
Deitz stressed that fitness and athleticism are critical to the team's success in 2026. The Antigua camp is built around 3 key pillars: strength and conditioning, individual skill work, and team culture leadership development. Small group sessions are being used to give players personalized coaching, while mental skills performance coach Nadine Sami leads efforts to strengthen unity and leadership within the squad. With 6 tours, 15 ODIs, a test match, and the T20 World Cup on the horizon, Deitz says the focus is now on readiness and resilience. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.
Jamaica Football Federation President Michael Ricketts is anticipating success following the historic proposed joint bid to co-host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup with the United States, Mexico and Costa Rica. A formal proposal to host the tournament was launched on Monday in New York City by the CONCACAF quartet of the JFF, alongside the U.S. Soccer Federation, the Mexican Football Federation and the Costa Rican Football Federation.